What's going on? We're heading out to Cars and Coffee. Me and Ian here, the other filmer. We're gonna head out there. We're gonna cruise out there. Hopefully get some POV videos, and we're gonna get going. She almost blew up. All right, we just pulled in the fast lane here at the meet. I mean, it's crazy out here. There's tons of cars, no parking. We're parked at the Waffle House right now. There's cars all the way up the hill and all around these parking lots. But parked like this so people can see the car. Pulled out a little bit. So yeah, get some footage around these cars and we'll get at it. We're at the Fast Lane Classic building. They got some crazy stuff in here. Check out this beautiful bear right here. This is insane. Check out this Trans Am right here. Heading out of fast lane here. There's Waffle House. I want to show you guys this crazy intersection. Right across the Alright, we moved spots from Denny's over here. We moved to the main lot. Hopefully, some good looks, some good photography done over here. I'm going to show you this Mercedes though. People here. Alright, we're about to cross the street, but here's this crazy R8. Heading over to the other lot. Got this Viper ACR right here. Crazy frozen right here, frozen silver. Fast Lane Classic shop right here. Really working. Get in here. This is crazy. I almost got this instead of a Supra. Here's that garage that I really couldn't get a good angle in on. Out here, Fast Lane Classics. Crazy car they're working on up there. Badass. Oh my, big turtle on there. Big 2J. Another Supra back here. Street Hunter wing. Bag. This thing's pretty wild. MG20. I know it's super pulling it. Looks like the launch edition. Back up before I get hit. Has a nice red interior. Love red interior. Nice. MG20 leaving. Crazy blue on that. 240 SX, a nice drift car. STL right here. Finally at the bottom of the hill. All these people are around and they're about to start leaving soon. We're gonna head over and get some flybys, but we're gonna head into Fast Lane Classics right now, the other building, and look at some of the rest of my stuff they have. Fast Lane right here.
I'll work here. Oh, thank you.
Heading in. Oh. Check out this Mustang. Dude, this thing's brand new. Crazy. What a price tag. 2.7? I mean, nothing. One of these cars. That whole Firebird record. Or no, this is Camaro. Bunch of crazy things. Here's a Firebird transition right here. And this thing's pristine. I mean, these are insane. This one's on bead locks. Check the motor out of this thing. Parachute. It's got a drag brake and a parachute pull right there.
It's got full headers, look at it.
Yeah, that's insane.
I bet you this thing makes like 500 horsepower, but it's like 2,000 pounds.
Walk back to the top of the hill in the back of this parking lot and found the 750 right here. I mean, this thing's insane. Went over to see the Flybys. They got a Pagani here now. And this thing's wild. Alright, we're gonna head up to the Flybys. GT500 coming our way. That thing's wild. This guy's gonna fix Head back to the car now. We're about to do our flyby. Let the car warm up a little bit first, and then hopefully get some cool clips. Still a lot of cool cars here. Here's the Supra. We're leaving the car meet now. We're about to go do our flyby on this on-ramp to the highway. Should be pretty badass. We'll get some cool clips. We have some other guys filming on the side, and then we're gonna get a inside the car point of view as well. All right, we're pulling out onto the ramp right now. We're about to do our launch. God damn. Hell yeah. Wasn't that much boost on that one. We got some stuff we gotta figure out, but I mean, that was still solid. Hopefully it came out good on the other cameras. I'm going. Ready? Mm-hmm. Alright, so we just got back from Cars and Coffee about 4 hours ago, and we were able to get a couple pulls on the way home, but not too many today. It's pretty windy at the car meet, sadly, so I'm sure we're in some of the clips, but I mean, still got some good stuff in. As for next week, we've got a bunch of good stuff, probably the best video of them yet. If you haven't already, check out last week's video. I'll leave the link up in the description and up here, top left corner or top right corner, and see you guys next week.